Do you think a telescope shows you the universe as it is? Or mostly the universe after it gets run through our own measuring system? In the energy filament theory, almost every cosmic number is a ratio, distant rhythms and energies translated through local clocks, rulers, and calibration. When we say frequency, we really mean wiggles per second, and that second is defined by an atomic clock built from atoms in our local environment. When we say brightness, we mean energy per second per area, and both second and area come from our local hardware and local units. Distance is even more indirect. We infer it from angles with a standard ruler, or from dimness with a standard candle, using astrophysical assumptions. We never pull a tape measure to a galaxy. We translate photon counts, spectra, and detector calibration into miles, years, and megaparsecs. And that word standard hides a pile of assumptions about atoms, stars, and constants you assume stay fixed for billions of years without noticing you made them fixed. Think of a phone camera that auto-adjusts exposure and white balance. The scene is real, but the numbers include the camera's settings and calibration. Here's the strange part: we already know clocks can drift with environment, because atomic clocks tick differently at different heights and gravitational fields. That means the tick is not a gift from outside the universe. It is a behavior of matter inside conditions. So if the cosmic medium slowly relaxes, our reference beats can slowly shift too, even while measurements stay ultra-precise locally. Now imagine judging an old song with today's metronome, while your metronome quietly changed over time. You might accuse the band of slowing down when your beat is the thing that moved. In this picture, observations are not wrong. They pass through a local scale black box that converts signals into today's distances, ages, and speeds for our models. If the ruler breathes, some expansion can be a bookkeeping artifact, and a neat geometry story can start looking like destiny, and your conclusions can drift with it. Redshift, brightness, and angular size can still be rock-solid data, but the story you build from them depends on whether your ruler is truly timeless. In this picture, the universe stops being an empty stage and becomes a living sea that writes its own rules in real time. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.